This video we are going to learn about how to actually recover corrupted files in AutoCAD. So basically what happens is when you are working for long hours, your file gets corrupted, and in many cases the AutoCAD even crashes. So in that situations, what are the things that you have to do is you just have to type the command recover and press enter, and then it will directly take you to this to the file or folder where AutoCAD has saved its original AutoCAD file and the backup file. So if you don't find your backup file right over here, then all you have to do is you have to close this. You have to remember where the tab had opened and where you have saved the file. So AutoCAD always saves AutoCAD file of a version saved before. Basically this. So how to convert this file into AutoCAD file is very simple. Just press on rename and in and delete the BAK written on it, and write DWG written on it and press enter. It will ask you if you change the file name extension, the file becomes unusable, but you have to press yes in it, and now that will actually become usable. So the CAD file right over here is the older version of the CAD file. The recovered version of the CAD file is now totally usable, and then you can of course easily open it from your AutoCAD right over here. So this is how simple it is to recover any file, any given file from your AutoCAD. So if you have a licensed version of AutoCAD has a default setting of saving your AutoCAD file every 5 minutes, which is an autosave setting. If you don't know, you can go check it out on my channel and you will find it. So it is very difficult to lose your file on AutoCAD. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank